welcome back to Auto Trend, the home of futuristic jets and unstoppable power. Today, we take you deep into the world of Chinese stealth engineering and witness the mysterious beast that flies without being seen, the Shenyang WZ-9 Divine Eagle. This isn't your ordinary drone. It's a technological masterpiece, designed to hunt what others can't even detect. The Shenyang WZ-9 Divine Eagle is one of the most advanced high-altitude, long-endurance stealth UAVs ever built by China. Developed by the Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, this drone is specifically designed for anti-stealth surveillance and reconnaissance missions. That means it's built to locate stealth fighters like the F-22 Raptor or F-35 Lightning II, aircraft that are nearly invisible to conventional radar. The Divine Eagle achieves this through its massive radar arrays, advanced sensors, and an aerodynamic twin-fuselage design that gives it enormous stability at high altitude. This aircraft is not just about flying high, it's about seeing everything. Its radar system reportedly uses a synthetic aperture array capable of tracking multiple air targets from extreme distances. With such a system, the WZ-9 can act as the eyes of the Chinese Air Force, identifying enemy stealth jets, directing interceptors like the J-20 or J-16, and even supporting missile guidance networks. Its electronic warfare suite can jam communications, detect radio signals, and relay encrypted data in real time to command centers on the ground. When it takes off, the Divine Eagle is almost silent compared to manned jets. The twin engines push it gently into the sky, and within minutes, it disappears into the horizon, merging with the upper atmosphere. From above the clouds, it becomes the ultimate observer, invisible, patient, and relentless. Every movement below, every signal in the sky, nothing escapes its gaze. The true mystery of the Shenyang WZ-9 is its strategic purpose. It's not just a drone, it's part of a much larger network of Chinese aerial defense. Together with the KJ-500 early warning aircraft and the J-20 stealth fighters, it forms a triad of detection, control, and dominance. This trio ensures China's airspace remains protected, and any intruder is spotted long before it reaches its target. The Divine Eagle symbolizes the next step in unmanned aerial warfare, where machines can not only patrol, but make decisions faster than humans. It's a glimpse into a future where surveillance drones may control entire battlefields from the sky. So, when you see that flat white-gray silhouette soaring silently above the horizon, remember, it's not just a drone. It's a guardian of the skies, a watcher in the clouds, and a bold statement of how far modern military aviation has come. If you love seeing the power, stealth, and secrets behind the world's most advanced jets, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Trend, where the future of flight comes alive every day.